Hello everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. Just a view of some of the lovely pretties that I've made that haven't ended up in journals yet. And what I want to talk about today is a change that I'm making to my Kofi. Okay, and before we start, there's not going to be a change to the cost. It will still remain the same, very low cost at £3 a month. But what I want to start and do is give you some private videos. Now, I could do YouTube membership. I did look into Patreon. I think Patreon, typically the fees start at around £12.99 for members. Mine's £3 and I'm quite happy with the amount that I charge because I don't do it to make loads of money. I do it because I love it. And that may sound stupid, but I do. I love it. And I love creating digitals. So if you're not familiar with Kofi, it is very much like Etsy, but it's more favourable to creators like me because the fees are a lot better. Etsy is really not kind to creators at all. They're really not. And they're not always kind to customers. For example, they can add on taxes and things like that. Kofi doesn't do that. Any taxes or any VAT, I take care of that myself as part of my business. Okay, I take care of all of that. So what you pay is just what you pay. So what reason I want to do private videos is because I want to connect a little bit further with my members. The membership numbers over there are quite large now. And when I first started, I did private videos, but I didn't have that many members, so not many people watched them. Whereas now I think, there's quite a good number of people. I think, it's worth putting the time in to do them. And sometimes, I want to bring things to YouTube that maybe, is not necessarily a full-blown tutorial, and or things that I want to tailor specific for my members, specific to the journal collection that I've given you that month, because you get a collection every month as well as all the other perks, discounts and other freebies. And so little things like this, like I've been doing for my birthday month of freebies. Okay, I did some little collections and then we made little bits of ephemera out of them. I really enjoyed that. And so I'm gonna continue to do this as well. So maybe sometimes we'll do a little bit of something and you might get a little few pages to go with it. But rather than them being in the shop section, like the larger collections, the little freebies and the videos will be in the posts section. So the post section is a little bit like a blog, so you can scroll through and see the posts. So all you need to do as a member to make sure that you can see the private videos, because they will have a locked symbol when they're a member video. All you need to do is make sure that when you go to Kofi, first of all, make sure you've got a Kofi account. All you got to do is give your email and, set up a little profile, just the same as Etsy or anywhere else, so that site knows who you are and knows that whether you're a member or not. So in the top right corner, there's 3 black lines. Click that, find your profile, log in. And when you're logged in, that will then open the member perks, all the member collections, all the member and the new free private videos. So to start with, there will be just one a week, and then I'll get into the flow and hopefully we'll extend it to 2. So it could be anything from, making something like this with a few pages, okay? And then you will download the pages. Under the video, there will be a link. And you'll click the link and it will take you to a downloading place to go and download them. And it might just be a few pages. I might come across a piece of really interesting ephemera, vintage ephemera, or I might have made something that I've been playing with that I like, but I don't want to turn into a full collection. And I will give them to you, okay, in the posts section, like I did when I first started. But all of the other main collections will go in the shop, okay? And it's just a way of me connecting further. It's also a way where I can do videos where I don't feel under pressure. Sometimes for YouTube, I feel very much like I'm under pressure, not like a performing chimp, but like it's got to be of really good value. Of content, you know, like a fantastic tutorial, or people are interested. Whereas my members are already interested in me because they remember. So they're already like what I do. So if I do a little video making little bits of things like this, they'll be interested and they'll want to watch it. So I might do some videos where I'm just working in my journal. I don't film my whole journal making process because it would take too many hours of YouTube and nobody would want to watch it. But maybe I could do some behind the scenes videos of me doing my journal and just chatting along. And my members would be interested. Maybe I could do some things where I'm using my basic dyes, or, you know, things that I've bought from wherever I've bought them from. Cheap things. I've just recently bought these lovely trims and things, and I don't always show everything on YouTube. So maybe I could share them with my members. You know, so I could do YouTube membership, but I don't want to be charging any extra to anybody, because the reason that my membership is so low is to make sure that hopefully it's accessible to just about everybody at £3 a month. I'm very mindful that the ladies over there in Australia and in Canada, that your currency conversion is not very kind, but hopefully by keeping my prices low, it means that everybody can afford it. Okay, and if I do some more private posts, okay, it will mean I can give you little extras, as well as the main, you know, we're still going to do the Journal Enjoy every month as well. But, you know, if I come across something interesting that I think, oh, that's really nice, it might even just be one letter that's got interesting font or interesting print on it. You know, I could share it with you. Things like that, just to make it a little bit more fun. But in the main instance, to make it more connection with you, you know, and things like this, the little inserts, I used to make these all of the time. Things like this that we can make together, quick and easy little things, along with, obviously, when I'm making my journals, sharing the processes that never go to YouTube because I just don't film it. So I sit here and I craft and beaver away in the background, and then you don't always get to see it. So being a member means that you'll get those kind of things, and we can share more. And by me sharing more, hopefully I can inspire you even more, and inspire you even more with the collections that I give you, inspire you in your own creativity. Maybe I can help give you some encouragement, you know, and I always say I'll always be your biggest cheerleader. So maybe I can do that, and maybe by doing the little extra videos, those of you that craft alone like me have got always something to watch. You know, so just thought it would just extend the community that we've got over there with the membership. I've already got quite a lovely community over on Facebook, but again, it's a little bit limited what you can put there. If you put videos on there, they take them down after 30 days. So it's not worth investing the time putting them on there. Excuse me. But I feel like my members are worth that little bit more investment of my time, because they support me month in and month out. So if you're not already a member, you really should be, because it's going to be even better. So that's it for today, and the videos will start this week. There will be one up by the weekend. I can't say it will be on the same day every week. So you will need to make sure that you've either log in and check the feed on my Kofi regularly, or make sure you've got email notifications ticked, so that when I do upload, you'll get a notification. Okay? So yeah, just make sure you're always logged in when you go to my Kofi, if you remember. Always, and then you will see the membership things. So we're going to have lots of fun. We're going to connect even further, and I really want to, you know, engage with you more and build our community over there. So that's enough waffle for now. Thank you so much for watching. Big love to you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.